Well, hey everybody, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel and welcome to putting on some mud flaps on my new 2022 Ram 2500. It's freezing cold out here. Probably not the most ideal day to put them on, but I want to keep the truck nice and I don't want to ding up my trailer when I'm towing. So I got some of these WeatherTech ones. I put the fronts on and they are very easy to do. I thought I'd show you these. WeatherTech, and each one I guess is individually engineered, they say, for the job. But so this one just has two of the manufacturer's bolts, and then this clips onto the little flap thing that stays in place. You basically use the I guess you'd call it mud flap that's already there. So this shows you, though, this definitely does extend it and make it bigger. If you got a little mini, you can use that for the top bolt, but as far as the stuff I have to just use a manual socket wrench for the bottom bolt so close to the tire, but it's not too bad. I've found that a 5/16 or 8mm does the trick. Unfortunately, it's just too tight for even a low Makita to get in there. Maybe I can get a thread or two on just to take the weight off, and then I can come over here and hopefully clip this. Maybe. It's there. Nope. I think it's best to take it off, clip it, then put it on as one. Okay. He is clipped. Okay, and lined up. Thankfully, the manufacturer's bolts are playing long. Just put a few threads on. Oops, I'm dropping everything. Now there's a clip to put on in the back here somewhere. So you can see it extends it down pretty good. Quite a bit more than the old one. Oh, four inches maybe. Looks pretty good. Easy installation. I like that, WeatherTech. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, we'll see yous.